In a world driven by information and stories, the power of media shapes opinions, influences decisions, and builds nations. If you dream of making an impact through storytelling, reporting, filmmaking, or digital media, then welcome to Xavier University, Patna. Our Bachelor of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication is designed for the next generation of media professionals. This four-year undergraduate program offers a multiple entry and exit system, giving students flexibility to learn at their own pace. It's a gateway to endless opportunities in the media industry. Our curriculum covers print and television journalism, radio broadcasting and digital audio production, advertising and public relations, graphic and motion designing, film and television production, social media and digital marketing. At Xavier University, Patna, we prepare you for every facet of the media industry. Our industry-level production studio, high-tech editing labs, and professional newsroom setup give you the perfect environment to bring your creativity to life. You can become journalist, radio broadcaster, filmmaker, social media manager, PR executive, cinematographer, graphic designer, content strategist, podcast producer, content creator. The possibilities are endless. Join Xavier University Patna's Bachelor of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication program and embark on a journey of knowledge, growth, and success. Admissions open for 2025-2026.